Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techy Projects. So in this video, I will show you the dye recognition system project using machine learning. So let's open the project folder here and first folder for the prediction web. Now in that we are using the Django framework. So those are the files of Django. Let's go back. Now this will be the static folder where it contains the CSS, fonts and the images. These are the style.css 1 and 2. Let's go back and those are the fonts and the images which we are using for the user interface. Okay, let's go back. Now those are the templates folder that contain home.html. This will be the complete code of home.html part. Let's close this. This will be the index.html and this will be the code of result.html. Let's close. And this will be the CSS folder. Now db.sqlite is the database folder. It will store data in the database and the other is requirement.txt library and their version which we are using in that project. Django 3.2.13 and joblib 1.1.0. Let's close this file and this will be the model folder and let's open the manage.py file. This will be the Python and Django framework we have used, and from that particular file we are calling all those miscellaneous files that will run the project. Now let's run the project. We have to open terminal here and then write python space manage.py space run server, then enter. Then it will generate one link, so we have to just click on that particular URL and you can check the Django version 4.2.23. So let's click on it. Now it will open the web interface. This will be the complete website about a section. It will give the complete detail about project, why you need a personalized light plan. Okay, scroll up. Now click on the get started. It will show the form to fill. Now we have to enter the density 6, age 22, weight 60, height 4, neck 2, chest 5, abdomen 6, hip 7 and thigh 5. Then click on the prediction button, get prediction, and it will show the body fat 13.05, breakfast overnight oats with sliced banana, chia seeds and honey, snacks carrot sticks with hummus, lunch snack, dinner, and will give the exercise like deadlift, squats, bench press, pull-ups, lunges, overhead press, rows, and the planks. Okay, those are the exercise. Let's go back. Now let's change the values. Density 8, age 25, weight 80, height 5, neck 3, chest 4, abdomen 5, hip 6, thigh 5. Okay, then click on the get prediction. So it will show the body fat 13.05 and give the breakfast, snack, lunch, dinner, all the exercise it will provide. Now let's go back. Now change the value again. Density 10, age 50, weight 110, height 6, neck 5, chest 6, abdomen 4, hip 4, thigh 4. Then click on the get prediction. So it will show the body fat, breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner, and the exercise it will provide. Okay, let's go back. Now this will be the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you are searching entire project ideas in machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, then just let me know. We are providing projects in multiple domain. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.